Kim Anderson, our grain marketing specialist, joins us now. Kim, let's start today with the latest on wheat prices.
Oklahoma wheat prices are anywhere from $6.70 to $6.90. Unless you go out to the Panhandle where we didn't have much of a harvest, it's running around $7.07. I think that's because of the feed demand, the higher price out there. Of course, we've talked about the last couple of weeks of the 35-cent above average basis because of the feed demand, but you've also got protein premium captured into that, and we've had good export demand, so I think that's supporting our prices a little bit. You've got all wheat exports about 46% above average.
Then from mid-June to mid-July, what's the Oklahoma price been?
Well, if you look at the harvest, the price is averaged right at $7. A little less than that in some locations, a little higher than that in others.
Okay, and that $7 kind of gets the ball rolling for determining the June 2014 price. What other things are you looking at?
Well, the number one thing you got to look at is, of course, that beginning price is $7, then ending stocks. The USDA is projecting U.S. ending stocks next year to be 576 million bushels. Now, I think it's going to be higher than that when we get it, but there's a lot to go on yet. If you look at last year, it was 718 million. When I say last year, that's May 31 of 2013, and the 5-year average is 770 million bushels. World ending stocks projected to be 6.3 billion bushels this next year. It ended the last year at 6.4 billion and the average 7.0. So slightly below average stocks for wheat in the U.S. and the world. Got to take corn into consideration because that $7 average price is partially because of very tight corn stocks, 729 million bushels. For 13-14, it's projected to be just under 2 billion bushels, and the average is 1.3 billion bushels. So corn probably not having an impact on wheat prices next year.
Okay, with that in mind, your projection then for that June 2014 price?
Well, the market projection is right between $6.50 and $6.60. That's the July 14 price. Right now you can forward contract from anywhere from 40 under that to 50 under that. My projection for 2014 for wheat is right at $6.
Okay, and then some producers are considering canola instead of wheat when it comes to planting time. Any projections on the June 2014 canola price?
Well, I don't feel as comfortable with the canola projection, but you look at the differences in the futures contract, it's about $4.50 a hundredweight or $2.25 a bushel. So you look at their average prices last year, around $11.35. That gets you a $9.10 canola price per bushel or $18.20 canola price per hundredweight.
Okay, Kim Anderson, our grain marketing specialist. Thank you.